So I'm going to show you how to make a little ballistic knife thing. Sometimes it works like this, but not always. It's easier if you do this, and it almost hit the camera. It's easy to make. All you need is these type of little mechanical pencils. You have to take off the eraser. And it's hard to take off the little metal piece, but you could use some scissors. It's easy if you use scissors. And see, it just shot right up. It's easy to make them. It's really easy. It's reloadable. Sometimes if it's lead, I don't think it'll work. Oh, the lead is right here. The lead won't really work. You can't really see it in the camera. Well, you can, but in real life it looks more thin. It looks thinner. And it shoots really good. And by the looks of this, I can tell this one's better. And I think the reason why that is because this one is older and stuff. It's really easy to make it though. But the bad thing is that you might make a hole in your eraser when you put it on. But I don't think you can make it work as a pencil anymore. So I guess that's it. Well, the older ones are actually a bit better because you can do this with your hand. But the new ones are just the new ones it's harder to shoot. And I'm just guessing that's it. So bye. Bye.